DJI unveils Mavic 3 Enterprise Professional Drones. DJI has announced a series of Mavic 3 Enterprise drones designed for professional tasks. Among potential buyers, the company sees commercial companies, government departments, educational institutions, and law enforcement agencies. The series includes the DJI Mavic 3E and DJI Mavic 3T models. The latter is distinguished by the presence of a thermal imager. The commercial series is based on the Mavic 3 consumer model enhanced to meet the needs of corporate customers. The DJI 3E version is designed to solve tasks in cartography and geodesy. On board, there is a 56 megapixel camera with a hybrid zoom, equivalent focal length of 162 mm, support for shooting at 12 megapixels resolution, as well as a mechanical shutter that allows you to take photos at an interval of 0.7 seconds. There is also a 20 megapixel wide-angle camera with a 4x3 CMOS sensor which provides high-quality images in low-light conditions. The DJI Mavic 3T version is equipped with the same telephoto camera as the E-series model. In addition, there is a 48 megapixel camera with 1x2-inch CMOS sensor and a 40mm EGF thermal imaging camera with a resolution of 640 by 512 pixels. Point and area temperature measurements, high temperature notifications, and color palettes and isotherms are supported. DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise drones are equipped with professional grade equipment. In particular, it is the DJI RC Pro Enterprise remote control with a high brightness screen, 1000 CD/meter square that provides clear visibility in direct sunlight. There is also a built-in microphone. The maximum range of control panels is 15 km. Video broadcasting is supported in 1080 pixels resolution at 30 frames per second. Drones also have an RTK module for building high precision maps. There is a speaker with the ability to broadcast sound from the control panel. This will increase the efficiency of search and rescue operations. Text-to-speech is supported. Enterprise class drones are equipped with a set of proprietary software. The updated DJI Pilot 2 flight interface provides the operator with quick access to all functions and systems of the device. Local data mode is supported, in which all information from the drone will not be transmitted via the internet. Additional protection is provided by AES 256 encryption. There is a DJI Flight Hub 2 program for controlling a complex of drones through cloud resources. The DJI Terra app is designed for mapping tasks, while the DJI Thermal Analysis Tool 3.0 helps in analyzing the image from a thermal camera. The DJI Mavic 3E in the standard version ranges from 3,149 euros, while for the DJI Mavic 3T in the standard version you will have to pay around 4,919 euros. Do let us know what do you think of the DJI Mavic 3 drones in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to Your News Ticker Central.